Hey guys, Stu here, and today I want to bring you the most luxurious full-size SUV on the market. We have the 2022 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. So let's start with the exterior here. On the front, you'll notice a beautiful, aggressive, luxurious looking front end here. We've got the trademark 7-slotted Jeep grille to represent the 7 continents where you'll find Jeep vehicles fought battles in. We also have the raised Wagoneer lettering with the bronze finish around each letter. Makes it really pop, really stand out. We have the obsidian style grille inserts and more piano black obsidian down here as well. And we've got the full LED light package. It will be unmistakable when you're seen driving down the road in this Grand Wagoneer. Coming down, you see we have a nice dark chrome finish to break things up a little bit. Works really well going on to the natural paint color, and then some more obsidian finish down here. And we have these very robust tow hooks that make it a true Jeep vehicle. These are mounted right onto the frame. Gives it a nice look, and it also gives you that classic Jeep off-road feel tied in with the luxury. Come around to the side. Every body line on the Grand Wagoneer was meticulously designed. You'll see we've got a nice raised hood here and sweeping down to these fender flares, kind of flaring out with the color matched insert. We've got a beautiful 22-inch wheel here with the Wagoneer logo in the middle. Looks incredible. Again, you'll see we've got the raised Grand Wagoneer on the side, chrome finish on the front, and bronze finish around the perimeter of each letter. We've got the nice power running boards integrated into the side, almost invisible until you open that door and they come out. Very classy, very smooth all the way around. Take a quick look up top. You'll see the blacked out roof works really well, kind of breaking up the colors here and giving that very sleek, aggressive look as well. We've got some obsidian finishes on the roof rails as well coming down, and every little piece on the window door sills here with chrome looking amazing. Coming around to the back, you'll see this very aggressive rear end Grand Wagoneer in big raised letters, unmistakable. We've got our Series 3 badge here, a very subtle little Series 3 badge, and we've got our quadra-drive 4-wheel drive system there as well on the left side. You'll see some black obsidian with dark chrome, looks really great over the white, and then we have a granite painted finish down here to break things up even further with our hidden tow package underneath the sill here. Jeep has taken these taillights and wrapped them around the side of the vehicle all the way to the back, all LED lit. Looks fantastic, very luxurious here. Under the hood of the Grand Wagoneer, you'll find the 6.4 liter, 471 horsepower V8 engine. We've had the 6.4 V8 in our lineup for quite a few years, a tried, tested, and true engine that's going to be a great powerhouse for this beautiful luxury SUV. You'll also notice the Grand Wagoneer Born in America badging under the hood to add that classic Jeep feel, Easter egg style feel of something interesting to look at every turn of this vehicle. There's so many great features of the Grand Wagoneer interior. You know, we're not going to have time to cover everything, but let's touch on a few things. The first thing that catches my eye is the wood grain, the teak wood inserts everywhere that absolutely work with the interior of this Grand Wagoneer. Beautiful real wood finishes that illuminate when the sunlight hits it, and it just lights right up. It looks incredible. Coming over to the side here on the dash, on the steering wheel, we have a little piece inserted as well. We have that nice 2-spoke flat bottom steering wheel. Feels great to hold on to and looks amazing as well. All leather wrapped dash, stitched leather wrapped handles. We've got a microfiber Alcantara suede headliner as well, and so much screen space. It's absolutely incredible. When the Grand Wagoneer is equipped with the dual DVD, there is just shy of 45 inches of total screen space in this vehicle. We've got our screens loaded up with the latest apps, Apple CarPlay. We've also got some incredible features like the relax mode. I was a big fan of this. You just hop in and there's multiple different screens you can go in. Like we have a fireplace, we have the Aurora Borealis, just some incredible features. And of course, you've got your split screen capabilities. You have a screen down below designated solely to the climate and seat settings. So you've got your seats, your massaging functions, you've got your rear climate as well. Everything is integrated in this screen to make it easy and clean up your top screen for you. You also have your quick buttons on the side of the touchscreen as well, your heated seats, your cooled seats, your heated steering wheel, all here as well. And then your main buttons in terms of temperature control, fan speed, front and rear, defrost, all those common buttons there. And we've got full screen navigation as well. This is the latest Uconnect 5 navigation screen. Extremely fast and intuitive. It also looks incredible. High resolution 4K screen in here as well. And then coming down, you'll see this nice piano black finish with the rotary dial. Very luxurious, kind of reminiscent of a watch dial on a very expensive luxury watch, this rotary dial here. And of course, you've got your settings, one for the Quadralift air suspension on this side, and then your select terrain system for your different terrains like rock, sand, mud, snow, sport mode. It's all right here for you. And that's one of the great things about the Grand Wagoneer. You have so much luxury in this vehicle, but it's also a very capable four-wheel drive SUV. Now, last but certainly not least is the pièce de résistance, the Macintosh sound system. This is probably the best sound system I've ever listened to in a vehicle in my entire life, and one of the best stereo systems, if not the best stereo system in a vehicle on the market today. Macintosh award-winning audio producer, stereo producer for luxury homes, has now paired up with Jeep for the debut of the Grand Wagoneer and put their incredible technology into this vehicle. Believe me when I tell you that when you have your favorite song in the highest quality of streaming, you will feel like you're at the concert. It is that good with the Macintosh stereo. Now, just because you may be sitting in the second row of the Grand Wagoneer or even the third row does not mean you have to sacrifice comfort. In the second row here, you'll find an entirely separate console, very similar in a lot of ways to the front console. We've got some storage here, USB charging, and of course some storage space underneath. And we've got all of our climate controls, heated and cooled seats, right integrated into this little screen for your second row passengers. Absolutely beautiful. And of course, you've got the nice black piano finishes to go around. Really gives it a classy look. Pop the rear hatch here on the Grand Wagoneer and you'll find an incredible amount of utility. Not using the third row, you can fold those seats down with a push of a button and you have best in class cargo volume in the Grand Wagoneer. Luggage, cargo, whatever you need to throw at this Jeep, it's gonna get it done for you with an incredible amount of interior space. So there you have it, guys. I wanted to bring this to you, show it to you today, the 2022 Grand Wagoneer. It is an absolute work of art. It's got a couple stiff competitors, the Lincoln Navigator and the Cadillac Escalade. However, when Jeep wanted to bring back their Grand Wagoneer, they wanted to do it in a big way, and they have surpassed the competition head and shoulders in terms of the luxury, capability, and craftsmanship that's gone into this vehicle. If you guys have any questions on the Grand Wagoneer, please feel free to drop me a comment or send me a message. I'll get back to you as soon as possible.